Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing good at your places. So, in today's English class, we are going to start Unit 4 of EPB, and the name of unit is Comparisons. Now, what are comparisons? Actually, comparisons are degree of comparisons. You all have done adjectives in part of speech. What do you mean by adjectives? Adjective is a word that describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, when I say she is a good girl, good is modifying the word girl. The girl is a good girl. So good will be adjective. Now the comparisons, the degree of comparisons do give the level of the degree कि whether the girl is a good girl or she is better than some other or she is the best girl. So a degree of comparison means at what level we describe a person, a thing. Either we are comparing him or her with anyone, either we are giving him or her a superlative degree ki she is the best girl. So these are called comparisons. For example, I have written big, bigger, biggest. If we have to describe a thing, this is a big thing, we'll say big. And if I have to compare that the thing with something else, I will say bigger. If I have to say ki this is the biggest thing, I will say biggest. In this way, comparison of degrees are of three kinds. First of all, I describe what is degree of comparison when adjectives are used to compare the quality or quantity of two or more persons or things. They are called degree of comparisons. There are three degree of comparison, as I have told you earlier. It may be we are just describing a person or a thing, means whether the thing is big or the girl is a good girl. So this is called positive degree. We are not comparing that thing or that person with anything else. Then comparative degree and then superlative degree. Now we'll take one by one each degree of comparison. First, positive degree. When adjective describe a single person or thing, means we are not comparing that person or thing with something else or with somebody else, then it is called positive degree. They are said to be of positive degree. Here we are actually keeping two person or things at the same level. We are not comparing anything. Then it is called the degree is in positive degree. There is no comparison between two things. For example, I say Ajay is tall. I'm not comparing Ajay is taller than someone else. I'm just saying Ajay is tall. He is as good as his brother. Here what I have done, I have not compared he and his brother, Ajay and his brother. What I have just said, I have kept both the person, means Ajay and his brother, at the same level. Means Ajay is tall as well as his brother is tall at the same level. I am not comparing Ajay and his brother. I am saying he is as good as his brother. मतलब वो अपने भाई जितना ही अच्छा है. At the same level I am keeping them. One more example, she is an old lady. I'm not comparing her old age with somebody else. I'm just saying, I'm just describing she is an old lady. Here you can easily recognize the word tall, good and old. They are adjectives. And I'm not comparing the persons with their adjectives with something else or some person else. I'm not comparing. So this is called positive degree. Means actually they are the degrees of adjective, whether it is a positive degree, whether I am comparing some person to the quality or quantity of that person to someone else, or just I am keeping them at the same level. According to that, it becomes degree of comparisons. Then comparative degree, when adjectives mean unequal comparisons between the quality or quantity of two persons or things, they are said to be of comparative degree. For example, I am comparing Abhi's tall height with Sameer. But I'll say Abhi is taller than Sameer. Here I am comparing Abhi's height with Sameer. I am not keeping Abhi's height at the same level of Sameer. I am comparing their height कि Abhi जो है वो Sameer से tall है. But I'll say Abhi is taller than. Here I can't say Abhi is tall. Because I am comparing their height, I'll say Abhi is taller than Sameer. It means they are said to be of comparative degree, and whenever you use comparative degree of comparison, what you will use THN then to make them compare. To give a comparison, you will use THN then. And you will easily recognize which degree of comparison, which degree you have to use. If there is a then in the sentence, naturally you will use the second degree, means comparative degree, not positive degree. This question is easier than that one. Here I am comparing two questions, and what I am saying, this question is easier than that one. That one, some other question is there, and this question is easy. I am comparing two questions. What I will say, this question is easier than. Here I will not, अगर मुझे एक ही question कहना होता, what I will say, this question is easy, but here I am comparing two questions. I will use comparative degree. Easy is again an adjective, tall is again adjective, but I am comparing the height of Abhi then Sameer. I am comparing the level of difficulty of one question with other. I will use comparative degree. The red box is larger than the green box. Red box is larger than. I am comparing red box with the green box, then I will use comparative degree. Now you can easily recognize while comparing, while using the comparative degree, in sentence you will see THA and then naturally you will use comparative degree. Then superlative degree, when adjectives compare more than two person or things, more than two person. If the comparison is between two, then you will use comparative degree. Okay, but when the comparison of one person more than two person or things, they are said to be of superlative degree. Here I am not comparing only two person, I am not comparing only two things. Actually what I am saying, what I want to say कि actually this indicate the quality of more than two person or things at the highest level or the lowest level. Means that quality of that person or thing, it may be at the highest level, it may be at the lowest level. For example, Rajasthan is the largest city of India. नाउ आई एम सेइंग कि राजस्थान की जो हाइट है, का जो राजस्थान की जो सिटी की वो है बिग, वो कितना बड़ा है, वो इंडिया में सबसे बड़ा है. तो एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल राजस्थान इज, सो आई विल यूज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Large, larger, largest. Large is the positive degree. If I am not comparing that thing, that person with some other thing, with some other person, then I will use positive degree. But if I am comparing two person or two things, I will use comparative degree, larger. But if I am keeping that thing at the largest level or at the lowest level, means the comparison is more than two things or more than two person, then I will use superlative degree. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. And one recognition for the superlative degree means where you will fill the superlative degree, there will be the article the. Before the blank there will be the article the. Naturally you will recognize ki here you have to use superlative degree. Now we'll say how to form comparative and superlative degrees. You will have to learn it. Actually you will have to learn it, how to form comparative and superlative degree of adjective. Adjectives, you know, the first degree, that will be adjective, and you will form comparative or superlative degree. For example, first example what I have written here, brave. And brave is a positive degree, is an adjective. now I have to form comparative. तो one rule is कि add r to the comparative degree and st to the superlative degree. Brave, I have just added r to the brave and es to the superlative degree. And then another example, I have taken big. What I have done, I have doubled the last consonant, big, big, then I have added er, bigger, biggest, and to superlative degree we will add est, big, bigger, biggest. Then young, one more example, young, after young add er, younger, youngest, and est to the superlative degree. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. After removing y, you will add ier to the comparative degree and ies to the superlative degree. Then we will add more to the comparative degree and most to the superlative degrees. There are some adjective like this where we add more to the comparative degree and most to the superlative degree. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. And then we form some other words to comparative as well as superlative degree: many, more, most. Sorry, by mistake I have written here many, more and most intelligent. This is wrong. Many, more, most. So now 3 example I have taken to make you more clear. Look here, in my sentence I have used comparative degree. I have written 3 example to make you more clear. मीन्स आई हैव डन कंपैरिजन कि मैं इससे भी ज़्यादा आपको क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ. सो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद करेक्ट डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हियर इज हर डोल इज डैश देन योर्स एंड इन ब्रैकेट द एडजेक्टिव इज गिवन प्रेटी. I have told you earlier, if there is THE and then is for comparison. Here अगर then दिया है एक sentence में, हम लोग always we will use comparative degree, means जो हमारी सेकेंड डिग्री है. तो प्रेटी इज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री, प्रेटियर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड प्रेटिएस्ट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. बट हेयर THE and then is given, we will use comparative degree, means we will use prettier. Then second example, I am not a very dash swimmer. I am not comparing myself with anybody else. I am just saying I am not a very dash swimmer. यहाँ पे ना तो THE and then है, ना ही THE दा कोई आर्टिकल मेरे को गिवन है बिफोर द ब्लैंक. जब मुझे THE and then नहीं दिया हुआ उस सेंटेंस में एंड बिफोर द ब्लैंक इफ इट इज़ नॉट गिवन आर्टिकल दा, आई विल यूज़ पॉजिटिव डिग्री. यानी कि जो मुझे एडजेक्टिव ब्रैकेट में दिया है सेम, मीन्स आई एम नॉट अ वेरी गुड स्विमर. अगर यहाँ पर मुझे THE and then दिया होता तो मैं यूज़ करती बेटर. अगर मुझे दिया होता आई एम द तो मैं यूज़ करती बेस्ट. दिस इज़ द, तो आफ्टर द ये आपको ध्यान ही रखना है कि दिस इज़ द डैश डैम ऑफ द एरिया. आफ्टर द ऑलवेज यूज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. And big, bigger, superlative is biggest. Yes, after the. And we will also do editing after completing all the topics of our grammar. तो इसमें भी मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि समटाइम्स एडिटिंग में क्या होता है, हम लोग ओमिशन करेंगे, हम एरर्स डिटेक्ट करेंगे. तो अगर एक सेंटेंस में THE दा दिया हुआ है, आफ्टर दा वी ऑलवेज यूज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. तो मान लो वहाँ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री दी हुई है, मान लो वहाँ पर पॉजिटिव डिग्री दी हुई है, तो ये एक पहचान है कि वहाँ पे रॉन्ग ही दिया हुआ है. बिकॉज आफ्टर द वी ऑलवेज यूज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. तो जो हम ग्रामर के टॉपिक करेंगे उसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा हम लोग एडिटिंग का करते रहेंगे, क्योंकि एडिटिंग इज़ बेस्ड ऑन ऑल द ग्रामर टॉपिक्स एक्चुअली, एंड वी विल डू इट in the last when we'll cover all the topics of the grammar, all the topics from EPB, then we will do editing. I hope you all have understood very well.